Hey everyone, welcome back. So let's say that we have to use an 18650 lithium ion cell in a project for powering the XYZ circuit. Lithium cells charge between 2 volt to 4.2 volt, but it's recommended to never discharge it under 2.8 volt and not overcharge it over 4.2 volt. You see, it's not uncommon for lithium cells to explode like firecrackers when it's overcharged. So it is crucial to use some circuit for full charge indication and low voltage cutoff, which prevent it from getting over discharge and overcharge. In order to do that, we can use TP5000, which is a single switch buck type lithium ion and lithium phosphate battery charge management IC. It's ultra compact, making it ideal for portable devices. We can use its module or the IC itself, which is available online on UT Source website. Link is in video description. But what about over discharge and overcharge? Well, unfortunately, the TP5000 is just an indicator IC, which doesn't have a cutoff circuit feature. So in order to use the lithium cell properly, we're gonna use the PCM, which is the DW01 battery protection IC circuit. The DW01 is designed to protect lithium ion or lithium polymer battery from damage or degrading the lifetime due to overcharge and over discharge. It is also available on UT Source website. Our setup will be something like this. The PCM connected with lithium ion cell and TP5000 module with a micro USB breakout for powering the setup. For charging, I'm gonna use a generic 5V 2A charger with a USB tester for checking the voltage and current provided by the charger. Wire everything according to this schematic. Now plug the power and wait. The red LED will turn on. This means the battery is charging. I'm using two lithium cells, each of 2600 mAh in parallel, so around 5200 mAh. When charging is full, the TP5000 IC will turn off the red LED and the green LED will turn on. This will indicate that our battery is now full charge at 4.2 volt. Now waiting after few hours, the battery gets full charge and the green indicator LED lights up at 4.18 volt, not 4.2 volt. There is a slight variation in the result, but the TP5000 seems to work just fine. Also, the charger side is not giving the cell any more current, as the PCM's overcharge feature is in action here and have cut off the voltage and the current provided by charger to the cell completely. The conclusion to this small project or setup is pretty simple. With the indicator circuit and a cutoff circuit, your battery will never explode or fail. So be safe and always use a PCM or a BMS in your circuit whenever you are using lithium cells. Leave a like if this video was helpful and do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys with the next video.